In today's fast-paced digital world, offering seamless, dynamic user experiences can set your web applications apart. As a developer, mastering advanced keyframe animations using CSS-in-JS and React is essential for crafting engaging interfaces that captivate and retain users. This tutorial will guide you through creating intricate animations that respond perfectly to user interactions, enhancing the user experience like never before. You'll learn how to leverage the power of CSS-in-JS to create animations that are not only highly customizable and maintainable, but also performant, ensuring smooth transitions and interactions. Understanding this topic is crucial because it allows you to design applications that feel modern and responsive. By integrating animations effectively, you can guide users through your interfaces intuitively, highlight important features, and provide feedback seamlessly. Whether you're designing a landing page, handling dynamic content transitions, or creating interactive feedback mechanisms, these skills will be invaluable. Imagine a landing page where elements fade in to catch the user's attention, or a notification system that subtly animates to inform users without being intrusive. These are the types of experiences you can create with the techniques we'll cover. We'll address common challenges and pitfalls, ensuring you avoid them in your projects. By subscribing to our channel, you ensure you're always at the forefront of cutting-edge web development practices. Our tutorials provide detailed, high-quality insights that enable you to build better applications and keep your skills sharp. Stay updated with our latest content and continue advancing your expertise in web development. Imagine you're an architect designing a building. You want it to be not only functional, but also aesthetically pleasing and memorable. In the digital world, this is akin to creating a user interface that is not just usable, but also engaging and delightful. Advanced keyframe animations can be thought of as the architectural embellishments that make a structure stand out. They're the animated transitions that guide users through your site, turning simple interactions into a seamless and enjoyable experience. When we talk about CSS-in-JS, we're discussing a method that allows you to define these animations directly in your JavaScript files, right alongside your component logic. This integration is powerful because it means your styles are scoped to your components, reducing the risk of style conflicts and making your codebase easier to maintain. Consider a simple analogy. If traditional CSS is like writing instructions on a separate piece of paper, CSS-in-JS is like engraving those instructions directly onto the components they're meant to style. This proximity allows for more dynamic and responsive styling. You can easily adjust animations based on user interactions, state changes, or even external data sources. In essence, CSS-in-JS turns your styling into a living, breathing part of your application logic, capable of adapting in real time to create the most engaging user experiences possible. Think of a movie director crafting a film. The director uses various techniques to guide the audience's attention, create emotional impact, and tell a compelling story. Keyframe animations in web design act in a similar fashion. They are the director's cues, guiding users' focus, creating emotional resonance, and enhancing storytelling within your application. By using keyframes, you define specific moments in an animation's timeline, allowing for complex transformations and transitions. In React, when combined with CSS-in-JS, these keyframes become even more potent. They can be dynamically adjusted based on user interactions or application state changes, much like a director adjusting a scene based on the audience's reaction. This level of dynamism and control is made possible by the component-based nature of React. Each component can have its own set of keyframes, enabling highly modular and reusable animations. The power of CSS-in-JS lies in its ability to encapsulate these animations within the component, ensuring that all the logic and styling necessary for a particular animation is kept together. This integration not only simplifies maintenance, but also opens up possibilities for sophisticated, responsive animations that react to user inputs, creating a more immersive and personalized user experience. Essentially, CSS-in-JS allows developers to become directors of their own digital plays, crafting experiences that captivate and engage users from start to finish. Your main code file transcript goes here. Your supporting code file transcript goes here. Your configuration file transcript goes here. As we explore the dynamic user experience design using advanced keyframe animations with CSS-in-JS in React, let's walk through a practical demonstration of a web application. Upon visiting the application page, you will notice an engaging welcome message that uses a subtle fade-in animation to draw attention. The background of this message is a soothing light blue, contributing to a calm and welcoming atmosphere. Next, you will see a button labeled Toggle Theme. This button is prominently visible and invites interaction. Upon clicking this button, a remarkable transformation occurs. The background color of the animated message changes to a dark shade, providing a stark contrast to the original theme. This change highlights the dynamic capabilities of CSS-in-JS, allowing for a smooth transition that enhances the user experience. After observing this theme change, interacting with the Toggle Theme button once more will revert the message background to its initial light blue color. This reversal showcases the responsiveness and control available through CSS-in-JS animations, ensuring that the user interface remains adaptable and engaging throughout different interactions. Each change is seamlessly executed, maintaining a fluid and visually appealing experience for users. These interactions demonstrate the potential of using CSS-in-JS with React to craft dynamic and responsive user interfaces, providing a strong foundation for enhancing user engagement and satisfaction. As you embark on your journey with advanced keyframe animations in CSS-in-JS using React, remember the power you're harnessing. These techniques don't just enhance aesthetics, they transform user interactions, making them more intuitive and engaging. Mastering these skills not only elevates your current projects, but also sets a strong foundation for future innovations in dynamic UX design. Embrace the potential of integrating animations into your React applications to create seamless, responsive, and captivating experiences. By subscribing to our channel, you're taking a step towards accelerating your learning curve with clear, real-world examples that you can immediately implement in your projects. Stay ahead in the fast-paced world of web development and make a lasting impact by crafting user experiences that are not only visually appealing, but also highly functional. Continue exploring, experimenting, and transforming your digital landscape with the tools and knowledge you've gained today.